Hey everybody. So today we're going to be learning about depreciation. Depreciation. Oh, whoops, I spelled that wrong. Here it is. Okay, so first let's look at the definition of depreciation. Depreciation is a reduction in the value of an asset with the passage of time due in particular to wear and tear. So what that basically means is Google's trying to tell us that depreciation means that when an item's used for over a period of time, now it doesn't matter really how long you've had it. If you've opened it and you've used it for, I guess, say maybe a year, it loses its value. Think of like a brand new toy that you just got. If you open it and take that out of its box, then it's already starting to depreciate. It's already starting to depreciate. Okay, so that's what it means. So, and also over the years, let's say that you have that toy for 10 years. You got it when you were a baby, and now you're a 10-year-old and you have that toy for 10 years. I bet you that it's definitely not going to have the same value that it did when it was all boxed up. And and also one of the important things to know about depreciation is that items that depreciate become more and more less valuable over the years. So an item that is 2 years old is going to be worth more than an item that's worth 10 years old, like your old stuffed teddy bear. All right. So now that we know what depreciation means, let's go into this. Let's go into here and let's look at this question that I pulled up from my textbook. Okay, there we go. I blew it up. Okay. So, an item costing $16,000 will be used for 5 years and then traded in for an estimated $8,500. Find the book value of the item at the end of the second year. Okay, so $16,000 is that's the original price, or the book value of the item. That's the item at its newest form. It hasn't been touched, hasn't been used, it hasn't depreciated. But now what these people are saying is that over 5 years they think that the value is going to be $8,500. So we have to find the book value of the item at the end of the second year, not the 5th year, the second year. So how we're going to do that is we're going to subtract the estimated trade-in value from the original cost. So we're going to take $16,000 minus $8,500. So the original cost minus the estimated price. And that equals $7,500, and that's the total depreciation. That's the amount of, okay, so $7,500 is the amount of money that the item has depreciated. It's now worth $8,500. It lost $7,500 worth of its worth. That's kind of a lot, nearly half. Okay, so let's move on. Find the sum of the year digits. Okay, so what you do for this, I even had trouble with this myself, but what you're supposed to do is, you see this 5 right here? There's a 5-year, this item has been depreciating for 5 years. So you count the digits here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If you add those all together, what do they equal? They equal 15. So we're going to take that 15 and then we're going to use it to find the depreciation of the first year. So you divide this 5 by 15, which is the sum of these numbers, of the digits. And then you times it by $7,500, and that equals $2,500. Then you take the $2,500 and then you use it to find the book value at the end of the first year. So the original cost, as we all know, is $16,000 of the item, and then if we minus that, its depreciation, it's losing its value by 2,500 a year, and that equals, now after a year, it equals $13,500. Then, whoops, I kind of glitched out right there. My mouse kind of just glitched out right there. Okay, so then you have to find the depreciation of the second year. So to do this, you have to divide 4 and 15, then times that by $7,500. And then you should get $2,000. Okay, and then here's the last step. Then what you do is you find the book value at the end of the second year. So we take the $13,500, which is the book value at the end of the first year, and then we minus it to the depreciation of the second year, and then you should get $11,000. Alrighty, I hope this all made sense to you. It's a little confusing for me too in the beginning, but now I'm pretty sure I've got it now. But hopefully you learned something from this. You've learned that depreciation basically just means that an item over time loses its value the older it gets. Alright, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.